Hey guys, welcome to BBP Boxing Bootcamp. Back with another video. Today we're going to look how to do the press up correctly. If you're wondering, Brad, why you're so sweaty, watching cups. So if you get that, guys, then comment down below if you get the joke from that one. But no, I've just filmed my 10 different variations of how to do a press up. So if you haven't seen those yet and you want to challenge yourself, I 100% recommend you go and do them. Yeah, you go and do it. You go and challenge yourself and do it. 10 different variations of press ups. They are honestly really hard. End up like this, end up sweating. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to look on how to do the press up correctly. Before we get into that, guys, same drill as always. Let me know who you are in the comments. I need to know who's watching. I want to get to know you. I want to start engaging with you. Yeah, I want to start building a community on the YouTube page. And if you like it, give it a like. Yeah, because it really does help out the channel. And if you haven't, subscribe. Okay, here it comes. Okay then, so we're going to show you how to do the press up correctly. Yeah, so the idea of doing the press up obviously is to build those chest muscles. It's going to, if you do them correctly, it's going to build the tricep muscles as well. Obviously the biceps are going to help support this movement as well. Shoulders, so the deltoids are now going to move as well, and it is fantastic for your core. Yeah, so before we start, there is 3 different variations that you can do of the press up. So you've got one, which is the box press up. So you can start on that press up to help you learn the movement, learn the fundamentals of the press up. Then you've got number 2, which is down on the knees, and then number 3 is that full press up. So we're going to work through all of those, yeah. But the main point of what we're looking to do today is to get those scapula running nice and smooth behind your back, yeah. So, very common mistake with the press ups is everybody goes wide like that. And as soon as you go wide, as I press down, so I'm just going to stay in the knee position for now. As I press down like that, my scapulas on my back are crunching together like that. So they're like rounding and grinding together. Whereas we want them to slide up and down so that you can do the press up faster without any pain as well. So if I go down to this, like here, and now I bring my elbows to the side and let my elbows go back rather than to the side, you will see I can move a lot easier and a lot smoother. So the idea, what we're trying to do is we're trying to tuck those elbows in down the side so that you can get the rhythm of the scapulas go up and down rather than crunching together, yeah? So that's what we're aiming for. So every time you do a press up, get those elbows tucked in. So you'll see at military, I've always done it that way, yeah? Obviously it's nice and smooth, looks after the shoulders, yeah? Stops those injuries through the scapula, around the shoulders. Okay, so the first one is that box one. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be in a box position like that, yeah? So I've got flat back, my knees are flat to the floor, and I'm just gonna come down, same as what I just did then, and the elbows are come down to the side. Like that, so my bum stays in the air, so I'm hardly putting any of my body weight through this. But my elbows are coming back rather than wide, yeah? So that's what we're aiming for. So that's how to do the box. And then on the knees, yeah? So number 2, different press up that you can do on your knees, and then you're gonna come all down as one. So your bum follows in line with your shoulders and comes down as one, comes back as one. Elbows are nice and tucked in down the side. So down, up, like that. So we're not going like this and leaving the bum high, yeah? Or we're not, say, coming down like this and the bum stays high. Everything is in line. Everything moves together. Okay, so now the full press up. It's exactly the same as what I've just shown you. The main reason why I wanted to tell you today was that you keep them elbows tucked in and to the side, let those triceps do more of the work rather than trying to pull your chest out, pull those scapulas in behind your back. Yeah, so then you're just gonna go up on the toes. You want that body weight to be forward, so then the weight is over the hands. Then you're gonna press down, elbows come down to the side, drive up as one, yeah? Chest down, core tight, drive up as one. Down, boom, drive up as one. Yeah, so guys, if you want to start in press ups, start with the box ones. If you want to start in press ups, start with the box ones. And then progress into on the knees and then progress up onto your toes, yeah? So even if you can only do 2 on your knees or, you know, only 2 full press ups, it doesn't matter, you're still working towards it, guys, yeah? That's what it's all about, practice. Yeah, so give those a go. Let me know if you found that helpful. But the main reason why you might be struggling with your press ups is because you're too wide and you're letting your elbows go out rather than back, yeah? So that's the main thing I want you to take away from this short little tutorial video for you guys, yeah? And if you like the video, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, yeah? Cheers guys, I will see you soon.